Welcome to the Harvesting channel. Today I'll show you how to enable Google Assistant on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first, open Settings, scroll down from the top and press the Settings button in the corner. Now scroll down and find the Google section. Click on All Services and look for the Search Assistant and Voice option. Then click on Google Assistant and scroll down again until you find the General option. Here you can turn it on. Press Turn on, and just like that you've enabled the Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the Harvesting channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.